Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 6135E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has a John Deere H310 quick attach front loader to go with it. Tractor has just over 1,300 hours. It does come with the balance of the factory John Deere warranty. Tractor's in very, very nice condition. Also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. It's a heavy-duty front bucket, which has barely been used, if ever. Got the global style hookup for your bucket connection, front weight carrier, and front grill guard. Paint is in excellent condition. Front work lights, mirrors on both sides of the cab. It does have the front fenders. It's got the Mitas Radial tires all the way around it. They're in really good condition, probably 90% or so. Rear work lights on the cab. It does have the 540 and 1000 PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. It does have the triple rear hydraulics back here. A little bit of paint peeling off this one line here. Not sure what's going on with that, but a little bit of paint coming off that one line. And again, mirrors on both sides of the cab. Very, very clean tractor. I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the cab. Looks just like the exterior. It's full air ride seat here for the operator. Tilt and telescopic wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. This tractor has the 24-speed transmission. You've got 4 ranges back behind you here. 3 gears, which are all synchronized, plus a 2-speed power shift that you can shift without clutching. It's a pretty nice baling tractor. Loader control right here within easy reach. On the control console, you've got your hydraulic levers, 3-point control, hand throttle, and 4-wheel drive engagement switch. Also have your PTO engagement over there to the right. Up top, you've got a radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Back down on the floor, you've got the differential lock pedal, foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal. And again, very, very nice tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.